visibility can be used to assess the history of data used in large fact tables to help with data retention policies when several years of data is being maintained in specific large tables. So in this case, I start with the use tables dashboard so I can assess where are the databases that are being utilized that have large tables based on size. So I will select a particular database here and zoom in on it to identify the large tables within it. And I notice, let's say, the orders table here may be a large fact table that maybe, for this demonstration purpose, let's say, maintains about 10 years worth of data. So now I want to assess how much of that history of 10 years of data that's being maintained in this particular fact table is actually used by the business. So I can select that particular table and then do what we call a date range analysis against that particular table. So when I select date range analysis, it allows me to view the histogram of activity related to that particular fact table based on dates used to query that particular table. So in this demonstration, I said that we maintain about, let's say, 10 years worth of data, but I can very quickly assess that end users only query this table back about 5 years, back to 2011, as you can see here. Most of the query activity goes back to December 2011, and that's what the histogram allows you to see. And there are some queries that go back all the way to January 2011. Visibility also allows you to select one or more of these histogram bars to actually identify who ran those queries that use those dates, or what applications was it generated from, or even the SQL statements associated with the queries that had those dates related to that particular fact table. In this way, you can start assessing how far back in history are people using a particular fact table to drive data retention policies, but also identify who and what SQL are associated with that activity. This information can also, the histogram can also help in guiding data partitioning policies, especially if you have partitioned your data based on dates as well. The date range analysis capability, again, works for multiple platforms, including Teradata, Netezza, DB2, Oracle Exadata, as well as Hadoop through a single console.